Hello, this is my Internet Web Homework 3. So for question 1, we have to create this table and output this value using a loop. So this is my code, and this is the result. For question 2, we have to check if a number is a palindrome or not. What palindrome means is you can read a number same as forward and backwards. So this is the code for it. And so let's do an example. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. If you check it, that's a palindrome. And if you put like 2, 3, 4, 5, it's not, it's invalid. For question 3, we had to check if we have to input a number and then replace each digit by the digit itself plus 7 and then modulus 10. And so we can encrypt it. And so here's encryption. Let's say 7926. The encrypted integer is 9346. For question 4, it's the same thing, but the opposite. We had to take our encrypted integer and try to decrypt it. So let's do 9342 7526. Easy. For question 5, we have to basically pick a number between 1 to 30, no matter how many times, and then when you the output should be an asterisk, a straight line of asterisks on the number you inputted. So for example, let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there should be 5 here with asterisks. For question 6, we have to basically there's 5 products with each of a value, and we should enter the product number and how many is sold that week, and then output a chart with that product and how much is sold in that week. So here's the code. So let's just say here for product 1, we sold about 7. Product number 2, we sold about 5. Let's just say that. Product 3, 6. Product 4, we sold about 3, and product 5, let's say about 2. And press 0 to exit this out. Sorry, let me just try to reopen that then again. So 1, 7, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 3, and then 5 is 2. Here it is. This is the total sales we had that week. For number 7, these are all the numbers between 1 and 10,000, and one numbers are prime numbers between 1 and 10,000. Right? For question 8, we basically had to create something for an elementary kid to learn multiplication. So an easy 9 times 0, 0, we check it. It should say very good. and then you keep going 4. But if they get wrong, let's say if I just want like 21 is no, please try again. They give us a second chance. It's actually 28, and boom, very good. For question 9 is the same thing, but a little more advanced. So for this one, we give it like different kind of response too. So let's just say this one, 3 times 3 is 9. You get very good. Next question, 9 times 9, 10 is 90. Submit questions, very good. But if they do something wrong, like let's say like 10, says don't give up, then they keep going. 12, nope, try again. And then 14, and excellent, then you can go to the next question. For question 10, this is a little more than that, where there's 10 questions, and at the end, it will give you how much percentage you got right out of. So let's just do it 2 times 3, 6. And for this one, I'm just going to get it wrong. Let's just say 10. If you get it wrong, you cannot do the second time. You had to go to the next question. So system 2 is 12. Next question. 9 times 4 is 36. I'm going to get it wrong here. So let's just say 12. 1, 4. And at the end, it says, well done, you completed session, your score is an 80%. If you get a 75% or less, it will outspawn you. Get some help from your teacher to go this over again. If you get less than a 75%. Question 11 is about an adaptive arithmetic quiz. So they can choose a grade level between 1 to 5. 5 being the highest, which means there's 5 digits, and then pick what kind of operation they want. So let's say grade 2, addition. 44 plus 2 is that's 46. Correct, well done. For question 12, this is basically 2 dices rolled, and basically the sum of 2 dice is rolled, so 2 being the minimum, and 12 being the maximum, and how many times they're rolled. And for the last question, question 13, is basically about a rabbit and the hare and a tortoise. It's like a simulation of the steps. So if you start the race, ready, 1, 2, 3, go. They have started. Blah blah blah. The hare went, and that time taken is 113 seconds. And yes, so that is my homework 3. Thank you.